Dude.
in northeastern Ohio, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, eastern Marion County, Ashland County, Laurel
What?
County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County, Knox County, until 1 a.m.
I just slipped over a water bottle to get to my radios.
Squall was located along a line extending from near Western Vermilion to near Miller to near Marion, moving east at 50
No
miles
way.
an hour. Hazard: intense bursts of heavy snow. Gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles an hour could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Source: radar and webcams. Impact:
Why'd that appear as an advisory?
potentially dangerous within minutes. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Lorain, Elyria, Mansfield, Marion, Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Willowwick, Vermilion, Mount Gilead, Parma, Lakewood, Euclid, Cleveland Heights, Strongsville, Brunswick, Westlake, and North Royalton. Consider avoiding or delaying travel
There
until the
is no
snow squall
way.
passes your location. If you must
Yeah,
travel,
what?
use
Dismissed it.
extra caution and allow extra time. Rapid changes in visibility and slick road conditions may lead to accidents. Here is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Ohio: Clark, Delaware, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Showers with gusty winds will impact portions of Licking County, Delaware County, Fayette County, Madison County, Union County, Franklin County, Pickaway County, Clark County, and Greene County.
Oh, it's this.
12:30 a.m.
Shut up. What is that?